What's going on, YouTube? This is Mack 215 back at y'all with another one. Today is another good one as usual. I'm going to go meet up with a couple of the guys. Today is going to pretty much be like a little meet up and chill day. First things first, let me go ahead and start meeting up. You know what I mean? Go ahead and hit that button there. Ooh, what's that there? Huh? Me feeling a little catty. Feeling a little catty today. I don't know what that's about. But yeah, she needs to be washed. I haven't washed this car in like forever, so the car needs to be washed. I'm meeting my guy Dave with the silver Daytona 392 down there at the Soap and Suds wash. We're gonna go wash the cars up real quick. Also my other guy Frank, the one with the Deadpool, which I'm sure you already know, he's meeting up with us as well. I'm supposed to be giving him a hand putting on his rear diffuser. So like I said, so that's a few things that's going on. Then after that, meeting up with a few more guys, and we're supposed to do a ride out, hit a couple places, probably take some pictures, take some videos at a couple different cool spots or whatever. So like I said, y'all gonna hang with me today and see all of this. So like I said, without boring y'all to death with too much talk, I'm shooting over there, meet up with them guys, and I'll pick it up from over there when I get there. It's car wash. Got Dave out here. You already know what it is. You see that Daytona, you know what it is. You know what I mean? Just washing Mina down real quick, so it's wet. About to go ahead and dry it off, but she clean now. Long overdue for a wash. But this is what we do. You know what I mean? We out here, we take care of our cars. You know what I mean? Looking good, run hard, and it is what it is. Like I said, when you see us, there's no mistaking it. You know what I mean? You can't mistake these cars. But yeah, I'm about to wipe it down real quick, get it all shiny. Nitty on his way over? Nitty? I think he said he was meeting us up here, so yeah. My other guy with the Deadpool Chargers coming through, he's meeting us here or whatever. I don't know if he gonna get a wash when he get here or what. Might as well, shit. You got the, you know what I mean, got the hookup, so, you know what I mean, wipe it down. And then, I mean, pick it up when my folks get here. All right, now I said I was gonna clean my car, you know what I mean? So I got it cleaned up, got it inside them rims, see it shining. Had to get all in there, tried to. But yeah, Nina looking good. Put a coat of ceramic spray on her. Then the boys pull up on me, you know what I mean? Got True Hemi out here. True Hemi and shit. See that shit, tire leather. He slid up on me. Then everybody else slid up, you know what I mean? You got Jay over there, you know what I mean? And Cino slid up with the gang, you know what I mean? Yes, sir. As I said, we out today. We out to play today. You know what I mean? He brought the beast out. He brought the beast out, you know what I mean? Powered by SRT. Y'all see that on the tire letters? Boom, boom. Tire letters. Everybody got them tire letters on there. You know what I mean? He brought his baby out. Doing it. We out today. You know what I mean? Then we got Poison Ivy out this thing. Poison Ivy. You know what I mean? Everybody clean, doing their shit. You know what I mean? We just out today. We just doing it. Then we got my guy Nitty over here. Nitty over here, you know what I mean, cleaning this beast. This, y'all mean, right here. Deadpool Hellcat, like you said. If y'all didn't see it in the car show, go back to that video. I got it up. Go watch that video. It was an A1 drone. Yeah, this thing shining up there too for everybody to see. All travelers and shit coming into the city that was trying to see the car show. This baby was definitely in there. You know what I mean? Like I said, look good, ride hard. You know what I mean? So, like I said, I'm just about finished with mine. Waiting on everybody else to pretty much finish up with theirs. And then we just gonna ride out, find a couple spots to probably try to take pictures, a couple videos, or whatever the case is, wherever we can find, you know, try to park up and get some good flicks. You know what I mean? But we looking good out here. Look at this. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. All that ass. Flavors. Flavors. Skittle pack out. Flavors. Flavors. What you want? We got flavors. You know what I mean? Got the boys out. Hey, that's what it's all about, man. Like I said, I enjoy this car shit. I love it. I mean, it's a way to get away from shit, escape. you with a gang of people, or I'm not even say gang, but you with people that share the same interests as you, and is, you know, they as passionate as you is about, you know, their cars and taking care of them and how they perform and everything like that. It's nothing better than that when you link up with a group of people that y'all all have that in common. You know, that feeling is just crazy. You know what I mean? But like I said, yeah, we looking good, man. We looking good out here. Like I said, I'm gonna give y'all some of the ride along footage when we take off, once we get out of here, while we rolling or whatever, so y'all can see what's up. Oh, small. Throwing mods on the spot. Glasses. You got some carbon fiber about to go on there. Got some carbon fiber going on that bad boy. I mean, on the other ones. Mods on the spot. Pull up, start mod right away. That purple on there.
Other yet?
Nah. Nobody ran each other.
You don't want to run him. The other guys, you might stay away from this rental.
Yeah, there's problems right here.
The only way you get them is if this tire is brake free. I just let them in on a little slick secret.
Oh yeah?
Slicks and some pimp juice.
Yeah.
You can look up how to make it on YouTube now. You spray that shit on the ground and they'll burn out and make it touch. I forget what they use. Them guys from Street Outlaws, they make some crazy shit. They light it on fire before they use it.
Oh, that's the shit they be lighting when people use these street drag?
It's like double-sided sticky tape. That's what the ground would be like. But if you get slicks...
Because I know at the track, like, you can lose shoes on there. If you step on there, it'd be so sticky. What's that deal?
That's for your rims. If you ever nick them shits up.
Yeah, I got some shit similar to that in the wheel, too. Some black John, black paint, just throw it on there. Yeah. That's what I was doing when I did my tire letters. I had threw a couple on there. I mean, a little bit of that on there.
What the fuck is you doing?
It's modding on the spot. That's what I said the same shit. I said the same shit. You see this, right? Modding on the spot. Do some carbon fiber on there to fuck everybody up last minute. I'm mad. I still got a lot of shit in my car to take out. Look at that.
This between us though. Now I see no coming. Let me throw this shit in the back.
Look at that. That motherfucker look good with that.
Got time for that shit. That looks good, man.
Yeah.
That looks real good.
That's what I say. Threw some carbon fiber on there. Fucked everybody up real quick.
Ooh, shit.
Damn. This motherfucker always doing something. Always doing some shit.
Nice.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Nice. Sliding over to the other side. You see it on the lights. I mean, follow Frank Netty 707 on Instagram. I mean, Cino just threw his bad boys on here. He's got to get that. Blue Ivy. Stickers on there. Boom. Damn, on the gram, follow him. Blue Cino. I mean, always focused. Follow him on the gram. I mean, True Hemi down there. Follow him as well. Put everybody up on the gram. What? Nah, I'm putting everybody gram on there so that, I mean. No, don't put that gram. That this one? Oh, all right, just the True Hemi, All right.
It's about to get a pro charger in it.
About to get a pro charge? Yeah. What's your name, man?
Ty, T-Y.
T-Y. Want shout out your gram, anything like that?
Gram is at QBomb 1911.
Okay, QBomb 1911.
QBomb 1911.
5.0 here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, let me get that started up on a little rev or something. Motherfucker loud. Yeah, that shit sound fucking good. Yeah, man. Yeah, and you say you going pro charge? What is it making now?
Right now it's over the 2.
Okay.
So let's see. With the cold air intake, with
tune. I'm actually about to get a Lund tune soon.
Okay.
Get a Lund engage.
Gotcha.
But with the tune right now, it's just a flash. It's just a flash on these tune. It's like a Bama tune.
Okay.
You ever heard it before?
Yeah, I heard it. I heard it.
It's like about 487, just right under 5.
Oh wow. So you pretty much
right under.
making with scats. That's to the wheel or that's to the
No,
crank?
I'm not to the wheel.
That's to the crank.
That's to the crank.
Okay.
Exactly.
But you right there with it. But the only advantage is you're lighter.
Exactly.
So therefore, you're real
That's why I
shit
said
in.
it 392,
With
so
speed is the trans.
this is
10 speed?
It's automatic.
Oh,
It's-
yeah. But you know how many speed it is to the in the trans? It's probably 10 speed.
No.
What year?
2015.
15, maybe 8 or 8 to 10. Because I think the newer ones start coming with 10 speeds in them.
Yeah, the 10 this are coming. That's what like the 18s and so
Yeah, this motherfucker here is nice, man. Nice. Pro Charge coming soon, yeah.
Yeah, got E-Box lowering springs on it right now. So
Okay.
it's
How's the ride with that? I wanted to go E-Box Lowering Springs, but
nice. It's really nice. It's nice now. Well, actually, after the Pro Charger, I'm gonna go back. I'm
Okay.
gonna be able to go up and down.
right. Put some coilovers on it.
Yeah, facts.
Yeah. But I wanted to do that, but the guy, I be watching him on YouTube, RT Life. Yeah, with the B5 blue, same color. Yeah, he got that E-Box lowering spring, but he said the ride quality not too good in these. I don't know if it's because of the weight.
I think it's because of the weight, honestly.
Yeah, it might be because of the way he said he can feel every rock in the road. I'm like, I don't want to compromise ride quality.
Definitely don't want that.
Yeah, but
What is, I know there's something crazy in it.
he got a lot of shit done to it.
It's like that,
He got a lot of shit
I
done.
feel like that's like 800 or 900 right there.
It could be.
think
It's
it's
like
like
he didn't even tell us the numbers. Doesn't say he just went and got shit done. We don't even know exact numbers on it. He ain't telling shit. So, you know what I mean? But he just went and got work done, had it dynoed, all that shit. So it's making some power. It's making some power.
These 392s, I be putting them on. It was one 392 that had a fucking tune that left me, and after that I was like, I can't ever let that shit happen.
Been done it again.
I can't ever let that shit happen again. And that's when I just started doing shit in my car.
Right.
I want to get a supercharger, but I just can't. It's just too expensive.
Yeah, it's really
And
expensive.
it's a 50-50 with the fucking Mustang, especially with the Coyote engine. And I have a Gen 3 Coyote. That's just not. I don't know if it's safe. I don't know. This is still kind of like a daily too, so.
Yeah, that's what I said. This is my daily too. So I try to just keep it, play it as safe as possible, but still have my fun, still do my upgrades and shit. But
That's good shit. So all y'all all in one group?
yeah, we all in the same group. Yeah, no car club. We did that. We all come from different car clubs and stuff like that. Car clubs usually don't work too good, man. So we just say fuck it. We parted ways and stuck together and just said fuck it. It's better to have a brotherhood than, you know what I mean?
It's the same shit. I'm in the motorcycle club in my frat, so.
Right.
Crazy. But how y'all, I've been looking at doing the tire lettering. Did you do it yourself?
I did mine.
How was it?
myself.
Is it easy?
Yeah, it's pretty easy. Like all you're doing is, I'm about to say, if you go on my channel, I got a step-by-step process. I did the whole joint on there, tire letter. But yeah, it's pretty much you just cleaning the wheel real good with acetone. Then you gluing it. You putting glue on the back of it or whatever, and then
How does it seal? Like from right here. 'Cause I know
check it out.
underneath it. Okay.
yeah, it's easy as hell to do. They just glue on
Here you go,
whatever.
Franz.
Yeah.
I'm about to take a picture of you.
As you should, yeah, man. Subscribe, like, whatever. Like I said, all this gonna be on there. You gonna be on there. Everything. I just always record. Every time we link up, I record shit. I'm always out. Yeah, thanks. Yeah, wash your baby, man. But yeah, you gonna definitely be on there. Check it out. Yeah. other location. Forgot that they was doing a hospital run today. I totally forgot about that. They was doing a fucking hospital run where they going to different hospitals, passing through, showing appreciation for the people that's working or whatever, you know, through this times, you know, with this corona, this disease. Every day they putting their life on the line, coming and treating people and things like that. So yeah, I believe they were supposed to be going to 2 different hospitals today and just passing by, showing their appreciation. So like I said, they got a lot of cars out here, a lot of Mopars, as you can see, a lot of shit lined up. A lot of cars that are familiar from other videos, new shit. There's a lot of stuff out here. Yeah, driver John. But yeah. Nice shit, nice. Deal.
Know them dogs hang. Put the dogs in my back seat, bro.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, and I told you how they been out. Yeah.
Right.
Look at that shit. Somebody's burnt out.
Somebody just did a burnout. Yeah, man. A lot of motherfuckers out here. Look at this. All the way down. All the way down. Look at this.
No, I see it on 95. That ain't straight.
Yo.
What's that?
Chillin'. Yeah. Pouring for the tubes and shit.
That Photoshop in my video. Make sure you subscribe.
That's right. Make sure you subscribe. There you go. Woo. The track hawk out. What's the deal, brother, man? What's up, man? I'm finished recording real quick. A little bit of everything out. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, it's good to have people come together like this. All these Mopars out here for a good cause. For good cause. I mean, yeah, they are for a good cause.
Yeah. They wrapped around there too. They wrapped all the way around. Dang, got whole lights and shit. Yeah, they all out here. All the way around. This shit's going all the way around, all the way around. Got Mopars for days. All the way around. A lot of people came out. I mean, that's a quarter was going on. I mean, a lot of people out today. A lot of people out. That's what's up. I like shit like this. This is why I get into shit like this, you know what I mean? Because of stuff like this. You know what I mean? Different things that go on, you know what I mean? Motherfuckers come out here and just support. Like I said, it ain't always gotta be something negative or whatever the case is. You know what I mean? Just come out and fucking support. Shit, this is a nice shot here. We at the very last spot, the Navy Yard or whatever. Cops was cool. They let us we told them we were just taking pictures or whatever, so they was cool and everything like that. But yeah, this joint here is sick. This joint here is sick. Yeah. Got everything out here. A couple people coming back. Track hawk. Everybody trying to get flicks and everything like that. So, you know what I mean, that was pretty much it. I mean, after this, I believe we're getting out of here. I don't think we hit too many other spots after this or whatever, so it is what it is. So like I said, at this time, go ahead, like, subscribe, comment, all that good shit. You know what I mean? Appreciate y'all for hanging out with me, tagging along through this ride out and these photos and all this stuff. You see him in the back, but you know what I mean? Like I said, hit that notification bell. Like I said, I got a lot of mods coming for Hermina, a lot of stuff coming, so stay tuned. A lot of shit coming, guys. I'm sitting on a whole lot. So stay with me, or whatever the case is. Like I said, stay safe during all this corona shit and all that. You know what I mean? Wash your hands, get sanitized, mask, whatever you gotta do to keep yourself and your family safe and all that good shit. And going against the sun so that you can see me. But yeah, and I'm pretty much out of here on this one. I ain't got too much more to say. Like I said, we're still here flicking it up. And I'm out. So I'll see y'all on the next one.